Just for the records, when I was training boxing, probably 5 years back, I broke all my bones completely. Now I have 9 screws and 3 metal plates inside my hand. The doctor said I can never go back to boxing. And honestly, I went to the moon and back until I managed to get back my strength and the flexibility in my wrist. So I think the only regrets I don't want to have in my life at any point is the fact that I didn't do my best across every single aspect of my life. Because long as you've done your best, there are no regrets. When you do your best, there are no regrets, despite the outcome. You know that you've done your best. Right? 1, 2, 3.